Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's get started with yet another bright and beautiful mandala in a 12-inch MDF board. I'll start with dotting in the center in light blue. I'll keep some orange dots now. Let me do some tiny dotting in orange. I'll keep some coral red dots. I'll keep some side swipes in red. Let me keep some plumpy dots in light blue. I'll make these light blue dots into swipes. Let me work the dots in orange. I'll keep some orange dots. I'll keep some tiny dots in orange. I'll keep some coral red dots. I'll keep some light blue dots. I'll keep some coral red dots. Let me keep some orange dots. Let me work the dots in orange. I'll work the dots in coral red. Let me keep some light blue dots. Let me keep some orange dots. I'll work the dots in orange. I'll work the dots again in orange. I'll keep some blue dots. So using that blue tool, I kept blue dots, but unfortunately while keeping these blue dots, I forgot to record. So I'm so sorry about it. I'll keep some red dots now. I'll work the dots in coral red. I'll keep some plumpy dots in light blue. Let me make the dots into swipes now. Let me keep some side swipes in orange. Somehow I loved this color combination so much. What is your opinion about this color combo? Do let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.